What is up, stock fam? The DogeQueen is back with another video, you guys. Now, before we get into this particular video, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post another video, you guys. And do not forget SFG. Your girl is doing a $1,000 cash giveaway. So if you have not entered that giveaway in my previous video, you guys, I will be having a card come up on the screen so you can go back to that particular video and enter that giveaway, okay? Now, also, you guys, when I reach 20,000 subscribers, I will be giving away $2,000, y'all. Only thing you have to do to enter is subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and sign up for the current app. That link will be in the description and also in the pinned comment, okay? Now, y'all seen, right? Digital World acquisitions. Now, I know a lot of y'all seen that stock grow up yesterday. You guys, we're going to be looking at the statistics of this particular stock and a little information on what's going on. Because y'all seen that rise, right? I seen it, okay? Digital World acquisition is now sitting at $96, you guys. And it seems like it is going up a little bit more. So it did drop back down, y'all. It dropped back down. And now it's on its way back up. Now it dropped to about $82, you guys. As y'all can see, the high was $175 a share, you guys. Now check this out, SFG. When it opened this morning, it was at $118.83. And today's high has been $175. Today's low has been $69, okay? Now, the 52 weeks high is the $175 mark, okay? But the 52 weeks low, you guys, it has been as low as $9.84, okay? Now, I know some exchanges probably didn't allow some people to buy in on this particular stock, but you still can buy it here on Robinhood. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and buy in now. It's totally up to you. But if you got in early, before all of this went on, you guys, you got some gains. And we're going to be talking about exactly what happened, what made this particular stock go up so freaking high, you guys. Now, as y'all can see, if I go a week out, y'all, it's been down. It's been in the $9 area, you guys. Now, as of yesterday, it was going up, y'all. I mean, up through the roof, okay? The past week, it has been up over 900%. That is crazy, right? That is absolutely crazy. From the 52 weeks low of $9.84, that is major gains, all right, you guys? As y'all can see, it's trying to hit back at $100, but it's still going down, okay? So, you guys, what I'm going to do now is let's jump into seeing what actually is going on with this particular stock, SFG. So, y'all stick around, okay? Okay, SFG, we're over here on CNBC. Y'all already know it. Dang, the best articles, you guys. The best articles, okay? So, Lighthouse Investment Hedge Fund sells stake in Trump SPAC firm DWAC after merger news. Big stock price rise. Y'all see that? Trump SPAC firm. Anything with Trump in it, you guys, it went through the roof, okay? Now, that is a person that can manipulate the market. Big ups to Trump because he can do it, okay? The Lighthouse Investment Partners hedge fund sold its stake in Digital World Acquisition Corporation after that SPAC said it will merge with a social media company planned by ex-President Donald Trump, you guys. Did you see that? It said it will merge with a social media company planned by ex-President Donald Trump. Going through the roof, right? The sell-off came as DWAC saw a huge rise in the price of its stock price. It is not clear if the hedge fund sold to book profit or due to worries of being associated with Trump, who was impeached after being accused of inciting the January 6th Capitol riot. Now, you guys, what do you think? Do you think they sold off book some profit, or just because it's associated with Trump? Y'all let me know in the comment section right now, you guys. Let your girl know. At least one hedge fund sold its stake in the SPAC Digital World Acquisition Corp after the firm announced plans to merge with the social media company planned by former President Donald Trump. Lighthouse Investment Partners, one of at least 9 hedge funds to hold stake in the Digital World acquisition, shed its holding in that special purpose acquisition company after learning of the merger with Trump's venture, the fund told CNBC on Friday. Lighthouse had owned 3.2 million shares, or 11.2% of the SPAC, according to a September 30th regulatory filing. Lighthouse was not aware of the pending merger and no longer holds unrestricted shares of the SPAC, the fund said. Asked if Lighthouse profited from their DWAC investment, the firm said it would not comment further. Now, I think they did profit. I mean, I'm not sure because they haven't commented or said anything else about it, you guys, but the fact that these people feel like it's affiliated with Trump, y'all, they probably selling, and a lot of people are buying because Trump do have a lot of supporters, you guys, which actually made that stock go up through the roof. And I know a lot of people profit off that potential, you guys. A lot of people made money off this stock in the last 24 hours, okay? The sell-off came as DWAC saw a huge rise in the price of its stock price Thursday on the heels of the merger news. DWAC shares spiked more than 100% on Friday after the stock more than quadrupled in the price the previous session. And y'all said, I showed y'all, that stock went through the roof, you guys, on Thursday. It was crazy, y'all. So y'all let me know if you're holding this particular stock below in the comment section, and if you are, how many shares do you have, or if you have taken your profit from this particular stock. It is not clear if the hedge fund sold to book profit from its stake in DWAC, or if it was worried about the risk of being associated with Trump, who as president was impeached twice and accused of inciting the deadly January 6th Capitol riot by his supporters, you guys. Now, I know a lot of people are aware of that Capitol riot, but for his supporters, hey, they may not even be holding it against them, you guys. Y'all let me know in the comment section. SPAC, also known as blank check company, are created to raise capital from public equity markets and then use that cash to merge with a private company that has or will have an actual operating business. The stock of that merged firm then will trade under the stock ticker created by the SPAC. Investors in SPAC, as a rule, do not know the identity of the other firm that will be targeted for merger. So at this point, no one knows the identity of this firm. But they are investing their money in this particular stock, which is raising it through the roof right now, okay? That's crazy, but that's what people do, you guys, just because of the potential it can have in the future. Among the other hedge funds listed in regulatory filing in September as major shareholders of DWAC, D.E. Shaw owned 8% of the SPAC, or 2.4 million shares, while ARC Capital held a near 18% stake, or 6.6 million shares. Other funds that held stake as of last month before the merger was announced were Saba Capital Management, Highbridge Capital Management, Lighthouse Investment Partners, K2 Principal Fund, ATW SPAC Management, Booth Bay Fund Management, and RG Capital Management. Now, if y'all are aware of any of these companies, let me know in the comment section below. Highbridge Capital Management and ATW SPAC Management declined to comment when asked if they retain stakes in DWAC, and the rest of the hedge fund didn't immediately respond to CNBC's request for comment. Another fund listed as a major investor in DWAC is ARC Global Investment 2, LLC. The managing members of ARC Global is listed in a regulatory filing as Patrick Orlando, who is also the CEO of DWAC. In an 8K filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday, DWAC said it had entered into an agreement and plan of merger with DWAC Merger Sub Inc., which is a wholly owned subsidiary of DWAC, and with Trump Media and Technology Group and ARC Global Investment 2. Trump's company, the so far unlaunched Trump Media and Technology Group, said in an announcement Wednesday that its mission is to create a rival to the liberal media consortium and fighting back against the big tech companies of Silicon Valley, which have used their unilateral power to silence opposing voices in America. Now, y'all know as well as I do that this has been a big issue for a long time, you guys. Y'all just let me know what y'all think about this merger and the Trump Media and Technology Group in the comments section. Would you invest in it, or have you invested in the DWAC? What do you think? I would like to know. Trump was banned by Twitter, his favorite social media platform, and by Facebook earlier this year after he was accused of sparking the invasion of the Capitol. Now, we all know when Trump got banned by Twitter, I mean, that right there was the episode of his life, you guys. That man has millions of followers. And also Facebook, and you know, Trump had them Twitter fingers. He liked to tweet, you guys. And I guess that was the only thing that can get him off those social media platforms, you guys, by banning his account. Then he went to Parler. Then they took that out off the, man, you couldn't even download it or anything. So he decided, okay, I'll come with my own social media company and see how y'all gonna like that. And when I get my own social media company, I'm coming for y'all. Genius ideas, you guys. A top post of the Wall Street Bet message board Friday featured what looks like the user equity portfolio touting daily gains are over $10,000 from betting on DWAC. The post, which called the former president Daddy Trump, quickly drew more than 800 comments. And the Wall Street Bets, you guys, those communities are powerful, okay? Those communities are powerful, and they are on Reddit. If you're not familiar with Reddit, that's where you will see that particular forum on Reddit, you guys. Wall Street Bets. If you want to check in on that and just take a look over everything, you guys. But I would say that was a great idea, you guys. A lot of people made money off this particular stock, and some of them are still in because they know in due time, it had the capability to go up even higher, you guys. When I say higher, I mean over $175 a share. Now, like I said, if you got in early, hey, kudos to you. You got some money, because a lot of people I see now, if y'all can go to Wall Street Bets, they've made a lot of money on this particular stock. Now, let's get back to DWAC. Okay, you guys, we're back over here on Digital World Acquisitions. As y'all can see, it's trying to get close to that $100 mark right now. But like I said, if you invested in this stock when it was under $10, you guys, you got some gains, okay? And I know a lot of people probably had already taken profit, and some people are still in. As y'all can see, today's volume of this stock is almost at 84 million. It says 84 million right here, you guys. So that is a lot, you guys. Average volume is 45 million. It's crazy. Now, one thing about this particular stock, it does not pay any dividends, and the market cap is $3.67 billion. That is crazy, right? It's crazy. And if you want to buy in on this particular stock, hey, you still have the opportunity, because you can still buy on Robinhood. And like I said, some exchanges may not allow you to buy this particular stock, you guys. But hey, it may be a great investment to buy and hold, you guys, long term. Because if it hit 175, it can go back to 175 and beyond, okay? And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post another video, you guys. And do not forget to go back and enter my $1,000 cash giveaway, y'all. And I will be giving away $2,000 when I reach 20,000 subscribers. The only thing you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and sign up for current. That link is in the description, and it will also be in the pinned comment. And your girl will be back with another video soon. Peace.